Luckily, I am not a sickly person, and I don't easily get colds and coughs, but when I do, it is mean, very mean. I'm not fond of drinking medicine for everything. Whenever I have dysmenorrhea, I put hot compress. Whenever I have migraine, I stay in a dark and quiet room and avoid getting overstimulated. Whenever I have fever, I drink a lot of water and sleep. If my throat or gums hurt, I gargle with lukewarm water, with rock salt. If it can be organically cured, I don't take pain relievers nor paracetamol. I'd like to think that I'm a modern-day witch.
And now I have bad colds and cough after a long time.
My reliable witch's cure for a mean cough and colds is just water in its other state. Let me share the other things you need for this amazing hack that are just in your house. Pour boiling water in basin. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of the menthol. Rub in water. Protect your eyes or close them. Cover yourself inside the blanket and inhale all the steam.